Another national shame. Just a little rain and see what is happening on the roads. It's a shame. This is a shame, man. What kind of a country is this? Look at this. Perez Dome is just on the other side. Look, a major artery. Look. It's a shame. Oh. Oh, Ghana. I don't know. Look. This. Look at the church. Perez Dome. Look at the road. It's terrible. It's terrible. When will the flood situation in Accra ever end? And nothing will be done about this water. It will recede naturally. No preventive, no curative, no reactionary for us as a people. It's a shame. It's a shame. This is shameful, you see? A car is in distress now. Like, this is not like some remote part of the capital where you say, okay, well, this is how things are supposed to be. Yes. So, this country, yes, it's a shame. And then look at Tetokoshi. Look at how instrumental the Liberation Road is. When you get close to the mall, when it rains, it gets flooded. It's a shame. So when will the perennial flooding situation in the capital be resolved? It's terrible. And look at the traffic gridlock. What is happening? What is happening to this capital? Yeah, something needs to be done. People will just be dragging their feet. People will just be dragging their feet. They want to start counting body bags. Oh, 20 people died. 30 people died. 5 people died. 2 people died. Then we come out hypocritically to wage campaigns, distributing relief items to the very people we could have helped before disaster struck. So, I don't know. It's a shame. And, like, it just rained for God knows how many minutes. This was like a 6-hour rain, a torrential rain. Yes, but we keep tickling ourselves and laughing. Where these problems pinch us the most, we don't pay attention to them. So I believe as a country, we need to wake up. So if experts come to this country and on a rainy day, they can't even get to their offices, what would happen? I was at a fuel pump. We were in the supermarket. There's somebody who I think is an expert or a person of dual parentage, a Ghanaian father and some foreign mother or something. He was saying, look, so we are not, crediting ourselves satisfactorily. We aren't doing well as a country at all. We need to look at how to resolve this, perennial flood situation in Accra. Look, it's a shame. Look, it's shameful. Shame on all of us. Shame on all of us. People who have deadlines to meet. See how they are stuck in traffic. How can there be productivity? How can there be productivity? How can there be productivity? It's a shame. Look, you live in the 21st century. You call yourself a lower middle income country. When it rains for an hour, your citizens are sitting on tenterhooks because God knows how many houses get flooded, how many roads get flooded. So I don't know. And the climatic condition in this part of the world seems to have changed. The rains have set in pretty early. So what do we do? Do we wait until another June 3 strikes? What a country. It's a shame. Bye-bye.